A world in crisis. The problem we all face. The world faces a big problem. Our current way of life is creating immense strain on the planet and its people. We see the signs everywhere we look, from the headlines on the news to the challenges in our own communities. People use far too many resources, often without thinking about the long-term consequences of their consumption. We extract materials from the earth at an unsustainable rate, and in the process, we generate mountains of waste that pollute our land, our water, and our air. This cycle of overconsumption and pollution is a fundamental flaw in our global system, a deep-seated issue that cannot be ignored any longer. The health of our planet is visibly declining, and this decline directly impacts the quality of human life. Our cities are growing at an explosive pace, often without careful planning or consideration for the natural environment they displace. Nature is pushed to the margins. The genesis of a vision. The history of the Venus Project. The Venus Project did not appear overnight. It is the culmination of a lifetime of work and observation. The project began many years ago, growing out of deep, persistent thinking. Jacques Fresco, Roxanne Meadows. Their journey was one of questioning the world as it is, daring to imagine what it could be. They studied a vast array of human knowledge. Global civilization couldn't be solved from one perspective. They delved into science, physics, biology, ecology. They studied engineering, industrial design, and social systems, anthropology, human behavior. Their goal? Synthesize this knowledge into a single, coherent plan for the planet. Decades of research, design, and experimentation, practical, achievable solutions. A tangible plan. Intelligently designed cities for safety, comfort, creative expression. Technology to free people and restore nature. The core promise: a humane and sustainable civilization. What is the main idea of the Venus Project? At its heart, the promise is simple and profound. We can and must consciously design our cities, our technologies, our social systems to be in harmony with the laws of nature. We should use the full potential of science and technology to make life better for everyone. Not small, incremental fixes, but a fundamental shift in thinking to a humane, truly sustainable civilization. Our problems are interconnected. Our solutions must be interconnected. Think holistically. Design homes, energy, food, and transport to work together synergistically. Imagine homes that are beautiful and comfortable, yet generate their own energy and recycle their own waste. Imagine cities that are quiet, clean, and filled with parks and gardens. Fast, free, zero pollution transport. Education encouraging critical thinking and creativity. Work that is meaningful and community serving. Design for optimal quality and durability. Easily repaired and fully recyclable, dramatically reducing waste. The brightest alignment of technology with our highest values and with the planet. A web of woes, how resource mismanagement fuels social ills. These are not separate, random events, but predictable outcomes of a flawed global system. Chronic hunger, extreme poverty, and violent conflict are often connected by the inefficient and inequitable management of resources. When essentials are made artificially scarce or poorly distributed, desperation and competition rise. Many wars are fought over access to oil, minerals, and fertile land. The monetary system creates artificial scarcity. Food can exist, yet people go hungry without money to buy it. This manufactured scarcity drives social stratification, a world of haves and have-nots. When systems aren't designed to meet everyone's needs, crime, corruption, and civil unrest fester. These are not moral failings, they are systemic failings. The Venus Project uses systems thinking to move beyond blame and examine environmental and structural drivers. Scarcity breeds greed, corruption, and violence. Abundance, safety, and stability foster cooperation. Design society to eliminate scarcity and meet needs for all, shifting from corrective to constructive approaches. The Venus Project's design method is fundamentally holistic. This is a crucial concept. Look at all parts at once and how they influence one another, not in isolation. Design considers energy, water, food, waste, and transportation as an integrated whole. Architects, engineers, ecologists, sociologists, urban planners, and agricultural scientists collaborate as one team. Today, disciplines work in silos. The Venus Project unifies them to create sustainable, high-quality living environments. The outcome? Cities that use far less energy and produce minimal waste. Urban environments that are quiet, clean, and rich with parks and gardens. Design that is beautiful and fosters connection and community. Replace short-term, piecemeal development with rational, scientific planning. Build cities that are efficient, beautiful, equitable, and deeply satisfying for everyone. A blueprint for consciously and intelligently creating the future, not letting it happen by accident. One of the strongest, most practical ideas: new materials and new sources of energy. R&D in materials, science can revolutionize construction. Lightweight yet stronger than steel components, prefabricated in automated factories. They last, reduce repairs, and cut resource use. Made from abundant renewable sources, fully recyclable, even self-healing and adaptive building skins. Transition to renewables. Sun, wind, tides, and geothermal can power civilization cleanly. Air pollution gone, carbon emissions eliminated. The planet stabilizes. Public health improves, nature heals, and clean energy becomes a common heritage, not a commodity. Resilient systems withstand and recover from shocks, floods, hurricanes, earthquakes, and social or economic change. Redundancy and flexibility. Decentralized power and water, diversified urban agriculture, modular and adaptable infrastructure. Backups and self-correcting systems keep cities functioning and supporting people during unforeseen challenges. Resilience by design. Another core idea: a new way to manage the planet's resources. Money-driven decisions create inefficiency, artificial scarcity, inequality, and immense waste. What if we managed based on what we actually have, not abstract wealth symbols? This is a resource-based economy. Conduct a comprehensive global survey of resources using our best technology. Track water, arable land, minerals, capacity, and skills. Then make rational, sustainable decisions for everyone's needs. Plan cities suited to local climates. Conserve water in deserts. Use solar there. Insulate and use geothermal or wind in cold regions. Align with natural systems to reduce waste and environmental impact. Without the profit motive, produce and distribute high-quality goods and services to all. Reach abundance, everyone's needs met without a price tag, eliminating poverty and insecurity. Humanity is freed for personal development, scientific discovery, and artistic expression, beyond mere survival. How would these homes and cities actually function? Thousands of detailed designs, animations, and scale models show cities in motion. Lightweight prefabrication enables quick builds, with resilience to earthquakes, hurricanes, and fires. Homes harmonize with nature, generate energy, manage waste, and optimize comfort intelligently. Circular layouts minimize travel, central civic hubs, radiating neighborhoods, abundant parks, and water. Food grown in abundance within the city. Fresh, healthy, locally delivered. Replace noisy, polluting cars with automated zero-emission transit, and safe, pleasant walking and cycling. While no full city exists yet, many components are real. Renewables, new materials, urban farms, and smart grids. Clean, automated transport is emerging. These wins show the principles are sound. Use what works now, then build experimental cities to test and refine at scale. The Venus Project is not dogma or utopia. It is a direction. It invites rigorous science and genuine feedback. Measure success by human and ecological well-being, not GDP or profits. Start now. Learn, think in systems, support sustainable projects, and advocate intelligent planning.